Hello students, with the continuation of the class 36 video about step up and step down cycloconverter. So this is the circuit diagram for the explanation of step up and step down cycloconverter. I already shown you explained you about the step up cycloconverter. This is your step up cycloconverter waveform, and the conclusion you got that the f0 greater than fs, that means output frequency is greater than supply frequency. So for the step up cycloconverter, I for the simplification, for the simplicity, I drawn this is your circuit diagram for midpoint type circuit diagram. Okay, this is for step up cycloconverter. So these are the supply Vs. This is the Va0, that means when B is positive and this is positive, negative, positive half cycle appear across here. So this point is, this is the positive and this is negative, and when negative half cycle appear across here, then this is positive, this is negative. Okay, so so uh, see, when A positive with respect to B, that means P1 forward biased and N2 forward biased. So in the step of cycloconverter, in the positive half cycle, see, first positive half cycle, P1 and N2 forward biased. So here P1 and 2, P1 and 2, P1 and 2 alternatively turned on and force commutated, then turn on, then force commutated. That means here P1 is turned on, then at this time, at this angle is P1 is force commutated, then N2 is triggered, then N2 is force commutated, then P1 is triggered, then P1 is force commutated, then N2 is triggered, like this. So this is one half cycle completed, positive half cycle. Then negative half cycle appear across here, that means B positive, A negative. So B positive, A negative means, positive means P2, negative means N1. So P2, N1 are forward bias. So see here, P2 conducted here for this is positive. So first we give get pulse to P2. So P2 conducted, then it is force commutated. So once P2 is force commutated, that means at this cycle N1 is forward bias. So we give get pulse to N1, then N1, then again P2, then N1, P2, N1, like this. So see, this is the supply waveform. Time period is Ts, and the uh, output waveform like this, like this, like this, like this. So here one time period is from this to this, again this to this. So I mentioned here from this to this point is one time period T0 for output waveform. So we found that Ts is equal to 6T0. That means one time period, one input or supply time period. In one supply time period, we found six output time period. So this is from this to this, we have 6 times of T0, that is Ts into 6T0. So at last we found that F0 is equal to 6Fs and F0 is equal to NFS, F0 greater than Fs. This is the conclusion of step up cycloconverter. So this is all about midpoint type circuit configuration. Then come to the bridge type circuit configuration. So bridge type configuration circuit is when we came across the positive half cycle. That means it is positive, it is negative. It is positive means this point positive, this point negative, again this point positive, this point negative. So here also when positive half cycle appears, that means P1 and P2, and then N1 and N2 are forward biased. So for this circuit diagram, I draw the waveform here. For another complete cycle, I draw the waveform. You can draw this waveform from the starting also. So let's assume this is our starting point. So now what happens, see, at first P1 and P2 simultaneously triggered. So P1 P2 conduct, then P1 P2 turn off by force commutation. So once P1 P2 turned off, that means at this half cycle again N1 and N2 are forward bias, so we give N1 N2 get pulse. So circuit come from this, and N1, then like this, then N2, then back to source. So it followed the negative envelope because here the direction is reversed. So N1 N2, again N1 N2 force commutated and P1 P2 triggered, then again conducted, then again P1 P2 force commutated, N1 N2 triggered. Like this we got the waveform. Again it is a negative half cycle also. Negative half cycle means this is negative, this is positive. That means this is negative and this is positive, and also this is negative, this is positive. So once this is positive means P3 and negative means P4, then it is positive means N3, negative means N4. So see, P3 P4 and N3 N4 are alternatively triggered and force commutated. So this is the circuit diagram for the bridge type. It is similar with the midpoint time, just the thyristor, number of thyristor is changed. Here P1 and 2, P1 and 2, here P1 P2 N1 N2, P1 P2 N1 N2, here P3 N1, sorry, here P2 N1, and here P3 P4 N3 N4. Okay, so this is the waveform for the step of cycloconverter. Here also we found the conclusion that f0 greater than fs. Here f0 is equal to 6 fs. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram and waveform for step of cycloconverter. And come to this is the step down cycloconverter, midpoint type step down cycloconverter. This is the supply waveform. I draw here. This is the output waveform. See, in the midpoint type, what happens in the actually in the step down cycloconverter, here one changes happened, that is here first all the positive group SCRs are conducted and then all the negative group SCRs are conducted. Okay, so see, first this is positive, this is negative, positive half cycle. So in the positive half cycle, this is positive, this is negative. That means it is positive means P1 forward biased. It is negative means N2 forward biased. But I told you that in the step down cycloconverter, in the first all the positive groups are conducted, then all the negative groups are conducted. So here first positive group conducted means positive means P1 conducted. This blue mark, this is the path, current path. So P1 when that means see at this point P1 is forward bias, at this point P1 is triggered. So we found the output waveform like this. Then what happened that positive half cycle finished, the negative half cycle appears. So in the negative half cycle, this is positive, this is negative. This is positive means P2 and N1 forward biased. So first of all our rule is first all the positive group SCRs are conducted, that means P2 conducted, P2 triggered. So at pi plus alpha angle, this is 0 because from pi to pi plus alpha we haven't give any get trigger pulse, that's why here output voltage is 0. So at pi plus alpha P2 is triggered, so through P2 means like this blue line current path. So current will flow, so voltage appear like this. Okay, so now in our diagram P1 and P2, P1 and P2 two thyristors, positive group thyristors are there and two positive group thyristors are conducted. Now it is completed. Now come to the negative group SCRs. So negative half cycle finished. So at 2 pi negative half cycle finished means Now positive half cycle appear across here. So now this is positive negative. So P1 is already conducted. That means P1 is not triggered now. Now N2 is triggered. So if N2 is triggered, current flows in this red path like this. Now current direction is reverse. That means voltage appear in reverse direction. So through N2 we found the output voltage from 2 pi plus alpha to 3 pi. Then again negative half cycle appears. That means it is positive, it is negative. It is positive means P2. P2 is already conducted. That means negative. Negative means N1. Now N1 will conduct. So we give N1 get pulse at 3 pi plus alpha angle. So now we found this is the current path, this red line. Okay. So now this is the N1. So see, this is the supply time period, one time period. And this is the output time period. This is T0. So from this waveform, T0 is equal to 2Ts. So F0 is equal to Fs by 2. That means F0 is equal to Fs by N. That means F0 less than Fs. So here output frequency is less than supply frequency. So hence it is here the output frequency is less than supply frequency, which concluded the step down cycloconverter. This is the bridge form. Again here also, first of all the positive groups are conducted and then all the negative groups are conducted. So plus minus means P1 path like this P1 and P2. That means here it is P1 P2. Then it is positive, it is negative. Negative half cycle appears. That means positive means P3 then P4. That means here P3 P4 will conduct. Then again all the positive groups are finished, then negative. So again positive half cycle. So positive half cycle means this is positive. So here N1 and N2. N1 from N1 to N2. Here the direction is changed like this. Here the direction is changed. So here this is N1 N2 conducted, and then when it is positive and it is negative, then positive means N3 then N4. So here N3 N4 will conduct. So like this we found the waveform for the bridge type, and the conclusion is also the same, F0 less than Fs. That is F0 is equal to Fs by 2. So this is all about the step down cycloconverter. So the detailed explanation of these two types of cycloconverter are given in your mentioned textbook. So you follow the book and make the note regarding this cycloconverter circuit. And I already told you the applications also. The applications I already told you. The applications for cycloconverter are the speed control of high power AC drives, induction heating, and then static var compensation, and then the for converting variable speed alternator voltage to constant frequency output voltage. Cycloconverters are used, and this concept is used in the aircraft or shipboards. So this is all about step up and step down cycloconverter. Okay, thank you.